Hi guys, how are you? I hope you had a lovely Christmas if you celebrate it. Even if you don't, I hope you had a great holiday season, at least had some days off work. I'm super excited because I just received on, it was actually Christmas Eve I received this package from Bolzano Handbags. Came in this bag, his cute little stickers on it, says Happy Holidays. I'm super excited to open this one too because I have a new deal to share with you for this bag. So they emailed me right after I received this, and they have a code for me to share with you all that you will be able to get your bag personalized. So what that means is you can get on your bag attached like some initials or a little message. I will leave all the information in the description box below so you can figure out how to get that deal if you want to get this bag or gift it to someone else. It's super awesome. I've received several bags from them and I love every single one. So this subscription costs about $33.95 per month, and that includes one handbag and 2 to 3 accessories. You can also just get a handbag, I believe, for around $28 per month. I will leave their link down below, so if you want to learn more, you can definitely check that out. So I am so excited. I'm gonna get unbagging. I feel like I haven't done this in so long. I probably have not filmed for 3 days, but usually I film every single day. So I'm sorry I've missed some days. My family is in from Chicago and from Tennessee, so I'm super excited. All right, so when I take it, the product out of the bag, the shipping bag, it comes in this duster bag. So this duster bag is great. You can use it to store your handbags, or you could use it for other uses. There's a little handle right here, so it's like a little tote bag. So it's neatly wrapped. Let's get this string off and see what's inside. I'm super excited. I seriously love all of their bags, and they seem like really good quality, especially for the price. So you pay, what, a little over $30 per month, and you get a high quality bag. Oh my god, I love the color of my bag, you guys. Look at this. Oh, I don't have any bags this color. This is so cute. So this is what the bag looks like. Isn't it adorable? And I think, so, like it says kitty on it. So there's this little attachment here. So on one side it'll say like the Bolzano symbol, and then on the back it'll have the message that you want to say. Like you can put your initials. They put kitty on mine, so that is what mine looks like, and I think that is super cute. It adds like a nice personal touch, but it's not too much, you know? Like, I think it's adorable. And look, there's some jewelry on here, and it's wrapped so cute. But oh my god, this bag, I love the color. I seriously don't have anything like it. Like, I would probably not go to the store and buy this myself. That's why I love subscription boxes. I get things that I like, but I normally wouldn't go purchase. Like, I have handbags, but I definitely could build up my collection. I only have a couple, and they're generally kind of boring, like black, so I'm super excited to get this. So there's a little zipper on the back, you can see. And the top is zippered too. Oh, there's some stuff in here. If you don't want to hold your bag like this, you also can use a strap. So they have an adjustable strap that comes in that matches the bag that you can just clip right on, which is super nice. And it looks like there's some other stuff inside here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, so are these little bows for the back of your heels? See how the picture, there's some heels there? Okay, I see a cat in the background. Something already dropped. Be careful, Archer. They've been so bad. You know what? That succulent subscription I got a while ago, I keep them by the window here, and they just want to rip those out of their little containers. But this looks like it attaches to your heels. This is super cute. Maybe I'll wear them for New Year's Eve. That's a fun little addition in here. Let me take out, so it's packaged really well. There's some insert in here. Oh, there's something else. Oh, another personalized little touch. There's a little keychain in here that has a K on it for kitty, so I could attach this to my bag or to other bags too. So this one you can use for many different ways. Like you can put it on your keychain. It's nice and gold. I like this. There's a little Bolzano logo on it too. Just clip right on anything. I'm probably gonna put this on my keychain. I might put it on the bag too because gold goes really well with this color. That's so cute. And then I also got a snowflake necklace with matching snowflake earrings, not ears. Gosh, a few days off camera and I can't speak. Maybe I can never speak, but that is super cute. See that? So inside the bag, it looks like there is another zipper, and then there's like a cell phone pocket, and then another pocket, like pretty standard. You can see in there. This is so cute. I just love it. So I think overall this was a super great month. So let's go over what I received. So for $33.95, you get this cute bag. I seriously am obsessed with this. And it comes with the personalized kitty on there. And it also has an adjustable strap attachment if you would prefer to wear your bag that way. And it has multiple pockets, zipper in the back. Seriously, seems like really good quality. I am so happy with this. I love the color. All right, and then I got a personalized keychain, so it has a K for kitty. Can you see that? And then it also has the Bolzano logo on there as well, and it just can easily clasp onto anything. And then this is a little fun bonus thing. This is like little bows for your heels. Like, I don't wear heels often, but I feel like I could find a use for these because they're so cute. Like, even if you don't use it on your heels, maybe you could like put it on a bag or something, because it looks like there's just like little clips in the back, so you can use those for other purposes if you don't wear heels. Maybe you could even put them on flats. That would actually be really cute. And then we got a necklace and earrings. So I think this was a totally great bag. I totally love it. I love the personal touch. So if you are interested in this bag or you want to learn more, I will leave the link below along with the instructions to get this bonus offer. So really all you have to do to get the free personalization is use the link below, and then there's an option when you subscribe and it'll ask for personalization, and you click yes, and then you can add in what initials or name or message you want on the personalized attachment on the bag. So mine says Kitty. It could have been like KT or, you know, for my initials instead, or it could have said anything, like whatever you want your message to be that fits. And then when you check out, you can add a promo code and it'll be Kitty Tag in all caps. So I will leave that in the description box below so you don't have to remember it all right now. So there'll be clear instructions there along with the link to the website. So that's it for today's video. It feels weird not opening an advent calendar today because those are all done. So it's past Christmas. Today's what, the 28th? It's almost New Year's. So hopefully I'll be on again soon. I'm planning on a collab video to come out around the 31st or the 1st, so that'll be super fun. So I might not be posting for about 2 or 3 days, but I will be back with a fun collab video, so definitely check back for that. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I missed you. I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye.